Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can implement Google Map in Flutter. So let's start. First you need to go to pub.dev and enter Google Maps Flutter. Go to installing, copy these dependencies and then go to your pubspec.yml, paste it here and install it in your system. Once you have these dependencies installed, so this is our demo page. So as you can see, we have got our dependencies and our demo app. We simply have our app bar. So what you can do is, first thing what you can do is go to your Android app, go to build Gradle, app level build Gradle. Okay, and change your minimum SDK version to 20 so you don't have any errors. Okay, then we can simply use body and we simply need to write Google Map like this. Get the dependencies. Now as you can see, it is asking for a required parameter, that is initial camera position. So let's have our initial camera position. It takes in a camera position, and inside target we need to give our lat long, that is latitude and longitude. So like this. So here we need to have our latitude and longitude. Let's give some random latitude and longitude. Okay, let's just save our app. So now as you can see, it is giving us some error. So what is causing this error? So there are few things that you need to have. That is, once you have implemented your Google camera, you need to generate your Google Map API key. So I have my API key. You need to copy these two lines, go to your Android manifest file, and inside manifest you need to add these lines. Okay, so we have successfully added these lines. Let's rerun our application. We'll go to our application and we'll rerun our application. So now it will run. Okay, so here it is. So now as you can see, it's getting processed, and now we have our map visible in our application. So now as you can see, we are getting this long overview. To simply change it, we have another value, that is zoom. Let's keep it 12 and save our app. We'll simply hot reload our application. Once it's hot restarted, we will see our map a little bit closer. So now we can see our map inside our application. So this is how you can add Google Map. So in this part we will see how we have implemented Google Map, and in the next part we will see what are the other options inside our Google Map that we can use and how we can customize our app. So do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and see you in the next video.